DLRs, what's going on? Mike Borders with the Mike Borders channel. Thank you for watching. We're talking well pump covers today, and my grandma just had a brand new well dug, and we purchased a well pump cover for her. It is a Lighthouse. It's pretty awesome. It just arrived. We're gonna open it up, take it over there, and place it over the well pump. Let's get started. DLRs, we are outside and it just rained, and we have a delivery, as you can see right here. And the box is maybe 4.5 feet, I'm guessing. Let's go ahead and open it. And to an update, I just opened it, and here is what it looks like if it's upright. And we will continue opening everything, pulling everything out. Just be careful as you do this. The last thing you want to do is damage anything. It looks well packaged. Oh, that's nice. How cool. I like that green. It will fit well with the color of my grandma's home. DLRs, here it is out of the box, and it is well wrapped, as you see. And we've got that box, I'm guessing, instructions, hardware, and more. And if I tip it up, I believe the top is inside the base on the inner portion. And DLRs, here it is. And it is indeed inside the inner hollow portion or base portion of the Lighthouse. Let's go ahead and carefully remove it. It is taped, just be careful. And there it is, inside there. How cool. Into an update, and there is the cap or top. And coming inside here, there is the electrical wiring and the connection point, as you see. I will continue unwrapping it. And what I did next was actually remove the box from the packaging. I'll do that next. And inside the box, your solar panel, instructions, all the parts that should be present, some hardware, and the stake. And here it is fully removed from the packaging. And from here, I'm going to transport it to my grandma's and set it up. And I hope she likes it. It will go well with the color of her house. However, real quick, I have laid the Lighthouse down, and before we transport it to my grandma's, I do want to show you the overall length or measurement of the power cord that feeds all the way inside the Lighthouse to the top where the light bulb is. And I don't want to pull it or stretch it out hard, but without giving it a lot of outward pull, it's about 94 inches, just shy of 8 feet. And DLRs, one more thing, believe it or not, before we head to my grandma's and show it to her and install it, I do want to show you the LED light that is on at the moment, and that is because the solar panel is facing down. Here is your on-off button. I've got it on, and when I pick this up, as shown here, basically exposing the solar panel to the light turns off. Again, right now it's on, as you see, and check out what happens when I pick this up. The light is off. See that? And I am going to put the solar panel down carefully without damaging it, and the light should turn on. And it is automatic. Sundown, the light turns on. Sunrise, the light turns off. How cool. Pick it up, light goes off. And they do have additional options, a rotating beacon, which is an awesome upgrade. DLRs, we're on site, and a brand new fresh well dug. And there is the head or cover. And over the next month or two, green grass will grow. That Lighthouse will look great. And real quick, before we install it on the wellhead, I do want to give you additional measurements. And all the way flush up top on the inner portion to the base is about 29, maybe 29.5. And I'll give you the measurement from here to there. And as far as that measurement, it's about, or exactly 15 inches. Doesn't matter the angle. Again, 15 inches. At this point, I've got it installed, and I'm using a toothpick. Kind of being a little creative to remove this cover on the LED panel or solar panel. Taking a step back on the other side, and once the sun gets in position and basically in direct contact with the solar panel, it will charge all day. And the light will be on, again, automatically at sundown. And again, here in a couple months, hopefully sooner, green grass surrounding it. DIYers, that's it. We hope this helps. Hey, do us a favor, below the video, you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely ring your YouTube bell. That'd be very helpful to us. We'd really appreciate it. Thanks again for watching. In addition, we will post links down below in the comments and description, and we will have several options to choose from. Definitely check those out. Thanks again for watching. Alright, DIYers, hey, it is nighttime. If you're still watching, we just wanted to show you what the light looked like illuminated. And as far as the distance we are sitting at, it's about 10 yards from us to the lighthouse. And let's get a closer view. As you see, how cool. And it's not too bright, which is good.